Did you know that wool dryer balls can cut your drying time by 25%? Imagine the time and energy saved. In a world striving for sustainability, these humble spheres are making a big difference. They offer a natural, eco-friendly alternative to conventional dryer sheets and fabric softeners. But their benefits extend far beyond just softer laundry. Wool dryer balls might seem simple, but their impact is significant. These unassuming spheres of felted wool are more than just a laundry accessory. Traditionally, they've been used to soften laundry and reduce drying time. By bouncing around in the dryer, they help to separate clothes, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently. Made from felted wool, these balls bounce around in your dryer. This action not only helps to reduce drying time but also minimizes wrinkles and static cling. They work by lifting and separating laundry, allowing hot air to circulate more effectively. This means your clothes dry faster and come out softer and fluffier, but their uses extend far beyond just fluffy towels and static-free clothes. Wool dryer balls can be used for a variety of household tasks. For instance, you can add a few drops of essential oils to them to give your laundry a fresh scent. Get ready to be surprised. These versatile balls can also be used as pet toys or even as a natural air freshener in your home. Simply place them in a bowl with a few drops of your favorite essential oil and enjoy the pleasant aroma. Wool dryer balls are truly a multi-purpose tool that can make your life easier in so many ways. We've all been there, pulling clothes out of the dryer only to find them clinging together with static, or waiting what feels like an eternity for a load to dry. And let's not forget the potential irritation and environmental impact of chemical-laden dryer sheets. These common laundry challenges can be frustrating, but thankfully there's a natural solution. Wool dryer balls act as natural fabric softeners. They agitate fabrics, reducing stiffness and minimizing wrinkles. This means less ironing. The constant movement of the balls also helps to break up clumps of laundry. This allows for faster, more even drying, saving you time and energy. And because they're chemical-free, wool dryer balls are gentle on sensitive skin and better for the environment. Section 5. Unleashing creativity wool dryer balls beyond the laundry room. While their laundry benefits are impressive, wool dryer balls are surprisingly versatile. Think beyond the laundry room and unleash your creativity. These balls can be used as pet toys, adding a natural textured element to playtime. Their unique texture also makes them ideal for crafting. Create colorful garlands, ornaments, or even whimsical creatures. Section 6. The unexpected hero wool dryer balls for pest control. Here's a surprising use you might not expect. Pest control. Yes, those same wool dryer balls that help reduce drying time and soften your clothes can also serve as a natural and effective pest deterrent. Wool dryer balls can be infused with essential oils like peppermint, which is known for its strong, refreshing scent that many pests find overwhelming and unpleasant. Other essential oils that work well include lavender, which has a calming aroma for us but is a deterrent for insects, and citronella, which is famously used in outdoor candles to keep mosquitoes at bay. These scents, while pleasant to us, act as natural repellents for insects and rodents. The strong aromatic properties of these oils interfere with the pest's ability to communicate and navigate, making your home less attractive to them. To use wool dryer balls for pest control, simply add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to each ball. Place a few scented balls in your pantry, under the sink, or in any area where you have noticed pest activity. You can also place them near entry points such as windows, doors, and other potential access points to deter unwanted critters from entering your home. The scent will create a barrier that pests are reluctant to cross. It's a safe, non-toxic way to keep your home pest-free. Unlike chemical sprays and traps, wool dryer balls with essential oils pose no risk to your family or pets. They are an eco-friendly alternative that can be reused multiple times, making them a cost-effective solution as well. Additionally, these scented wool dryer balls can be placed in children's rooms and pet areas without any concern for harmful chemicals. They provide peace of mind while ensuring that your living spaces remain free from pests. So next time you think about pest control, consider reaching for wool dryer balls and your favorite essential oils. Not only will you be protecting your home from unwanted guests, but you'll also be adding a pleasant fragrance to your living spaces. Embrace this natural, effective method and enjoy a pest-free home with the added benefit of delightful scents. Wool dryer balls truly are the unexpected heroes in the battle against household pests. Section 7. Embrace the possibilities. Wool dryer balls, a world of uses. Wool dryer balls are a testament to the power of simple solutions. These unassuming spheres made from natural wool have revolutionized the way we approach laundry. By simply tossing a few into your dryer, you can reduce drying time, soften fabrics, and even minimize static cling. It's a small change that makes a big difference, both for your clothes and the environment. They offer a natural, eco-friendly way to tackle common laundry challenges. Unlike traditional dryer sheets, which are often laden with chemicals and single-use, wool dryer balls are reusable and free from harmful substances. This makes them a perfect choice for those looking to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Plus, they can be used with essential oils to add a pleasant scent to your laundry, making your clothes smell fresh and clean without synthetic fragrances. But their versatility extends far beyond the laundry room, proving useful in pet care, home decor, and even pest control. For pet owners, wool dryer balls can double as a fun and safe toy for dogs and cats. Their soft texture and durability make them perfect for playtime. In home decor, they can be used as stylish, minimalist accents in bowls or vases, and when it comes to pest control, placing wool dryer balls near plants can help deter certain insects, thanks to their natural fibers and the ability to hold essential oils. Who knew that something so simple could have so many uses? From enhancing your laundry routine to adding a touch of eco-friendly charm to your home, wool dryer balls are a small investment with a multitude of benefits. They embody the idea that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So embrace the possibilities and discover the many ways wool dryer balls can make your life easier and more sustainable. Section 8. Join the journey. Subscribe for more creative home solutions. Ready to embrace a more sustainable and creative lifestyle? Subscribe to our newsletter for more innovative ideas, eco-friendly tips, and stylish solutions for your home. Discover the endless possibilities of everyday objects and unlock a world of inspiration. Don't wait, join us today.